Hi viewers, welcome to channel. In this video, we are going to explain about the wind turbine, the windmills, the electrical energy generated from the windmills. How the windmills are working, how the electrical energy is generated from the windmills. So, according to the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, when a conductor cuts the flux, an EMF is induced in the conductor. So, this is the basic mechanism which works under the working principle of a windmill. So a generator is present in the windmill. So these wind vanes, that means the wings of the windmills. Okay. So what is happening here is if the air causes some pressure in the wings of the windmills, so which makes to run the windmills. That means that turbine shaft, which is outside, we call it as a wind vanes. That means wings of the windmill. Okay. So when this pressure hits the wind wings, the windmill starts running. While it is running, what happened? The shaft is connected to a generator, and due to this action, the generator starts moving. So here, when this thing happens, what is that thing? When a mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So from this, we can collect the electrical energy. So I am going to show you this working process in a video which is playing in my background. So let's start the video. Let's get into the video. Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video we are clearly explain about the wind vanes, how the wind vanes are working. See, in this video, these are the wind vanes. How these are working is, wind vanes works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. How these laws of electromagnetic induction, what is this? Which is having two laws, Faraday's first law and also Faraday's second law. So Faraday's first law states that whenever a conductor, so this is the wind vane, what is it is running. So windmills are, these are called as windmills and also wind turbine. Windmills or wind turbine. So what is this wind turbine? How it is working? The wind turbine works on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So this is the equipment, how it is set here. So what is the thing shown here is the setup, inside setup. There is a generator, shaft and the turbine. So this is the turbine which is called rotor. We call it as a rotor. Okay, this rotor is rotating like this, and then this is all the setup. What we are seeing here is a setup. So from this generator is attached to the thing. So when the air comes like this, the shaft is under the generator. So the rotor starts running, and the shaft is moving, and the generator is also running, and the generator is also running. So when the windmill is running, so this is the actual windmill what we are showing here. So general these are the general. So when the air, when you see this, when the air comes and hit these wind wings, then what happen? When the air comes and hit like this, it starts running. So in this principle, when the air comes and hit the wind vanes, the wind vane starts moving. That means the rotor starts running, which is attached to it. So in this process, they are starting. When the wind comes and hits this, it will start running, and the rotor starts running slowly like this. Then what happened? So the shaft is connected to the generator is also running. So see like this. When this generator starts running, so the conductor cuts the flux. So already some magnets, electromagnets are connected in that. So what happened? So this shaft, it's connected to the generator is also running here. So when then it is running like that, finally the generator produces the electrical energy like this. See, when the rotor is running, a high speed shaft is connected to that, and a generator is fixed to it. When this is connected, a gear type of thing is also placed in it. So a gear type of thing is placed in it. So what makes, when the turbines run slowly, even then it will connected to a fast generator. So this is the wind nozzle. We call it as a nozzle. So the nozzle, this is the wind vane and the velocity sensor. This velocity sensor gives the signal. So according to that, the wind vane starts running. So this nozzle, what is this nozzle is doing is, it will make the turbine to move on what direction the wind is started. It will turn the total set to that direction. When the wind flows in this direction, the nozzle moves the turbine like this, wind turbine, and by using this, the electrical energy starts flowing and goes to the electricity house. So how it is happening? It is according to the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic principle. Whenever a conductor cuts the flux, an EMF is induced in the conductor. The same thing happen if you see the video which is going to the background. The wind vane is running, electric mechanical energy converted to electrical energy. So mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Like this only, the wind is produced the electricity. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.